JLG Industries presents the lithium battery pack removal on the JLG X660SJ. Always refer to Section 2 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual and perform a proper pre-start inspection before machine operation. To begin, first remove the cover from the back of the machine and set it aside to reveal the lithium battery pack. Disconnect the Deutsch connector and the main power connection from the lithium battery pack. Remove each of the 4 screws holding the battery to the bracket. Once the screws have been removed, the battery pack will slide out for easy removal. With help from an assistant, safely remove the battery pack and set it aside for replacement. This battery is a maintenance-free battery. Do not attempt to open a maintenance-free sealed battery. A list of serviceable electrical system components, including the lithium battery pack, can be found in the Illustrated Parts Manual for the X660SJ. To reinstall the lithium battery, simply reverse the removal process by anchoring the battery to the battery bracket and replacing the Deutsch and main power connections. If you require further clarification on replacing the lithium battery in your JLG X660SJ, contact our Customer Support Technical Service Center at 1-877-JLG-LIFT. And as always, stay safe and have a great day.